Okay, this is just the Hiawatha controller. I'm just using this as a demo controller to show a little bit about how the electrical components work. I'm just going to take and have it set to AC current. My wire's a little tied up right there. Set it to AC current. Okay, right now, common and 1, there is, it shows there's a little stray voltage, but once you turn it on, maybe, there it goes. That's how you start it. Once you start it, it's got 27 volts AC, and then the master valve should also have 27 volts AC, which it does, and then you go down the line and it's basically, it's just, which is interesting, it has a little bit of stray voltage. I have not noticed that on other controllers. Now it doesn't. Okay, it's now gone away. All right, but yeah, 24 volts, 27 volts AC for both of those once it's on number 1, and then we'll move forward to number 2. Number 1 now, again, that it has that stray voltage, but that's where the 27 volts comes on the second controller, or sorry, second zone, as it's moving down the line. Number two has power. Number 3 should have power now. Number 2 does not. Number 1 does not. But the master valve still does, and the reason why is because the master valve is intended to turn on the system once there's a call for water, so that you have a 2-zone configuration, or sorry, 2-valve configuration to be able to control the water feeding into the system, so that the system is not charged all the time. It's only charged when you're calling for water. So like number 3 is calling for water, number 4 is calling for water now because I clicked forward. The master valve is also still, but now once you go past that, master valve is now currently off, and so are all these other ones. And then on this side, your sensor, basically it's just a voltage that runs to the sensor to be able to determine whether or not the sensor is activated. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.